Hi, we're on location in Joliet, Illinois, doing a walkabout that I am loving right now because it's just, I mean, look at this. It's just me and nature. That's about it. And wanted to let you know that my wife and I have been wanting to have another baby for a long time, and we finally did back in March. We adopted a little Shih Tzu dog, and he is adorable, and he's the best, and he's a great addition to our family here at Cooking at the Road with Scotty B. And I just wanted to introduce him to you. He's just full of life and zest, and just makes us so happy. So I can understand why pet owners are real adamant about treating their pets as family members. So, and I don't blame them one little bit. But we were enjoying a dessert there, and we thought Chewie is his name, short for Chewbacca, because he looks like a little Chewbacca. Gave him some whipped cream. So, and the comedy ensues. So enjoy the clip, and thanks for watching Scotty B. And hopefully we'll have some more good episodes for you. And you guys take care out there, and thanks for subscribing and telling your friends. So enjoy.
Oh, honey, you're a good boy. You're the cutest thing that ever was.